Hello everyone, and in this video we will calculate the total sale given the unit price, quantity, discount, and tax rate. So basically this is just a program to calculate the total sale given all these other numbers. And the key point that I wanted to highlight in this video is the ability of the printf function. So as you can see, all our code is inside of the main function. We have a defined tax rate constant that we're going to be using in our code. I initialized a number of variables, local variables that we needed, such as the quantity and all the other numbers. I have print statements, basically to receive input from the user. And then down here, which is the most important part, after the computation, I have a number of print statements. And the key thing that I wanted to highlight is the ability of the print statement to essentially organize your output in a neat and presentable way. As you can see, the 6 that you see in the printf function quantity sold, and it has a %6 next to the integer specifier, format specifier. It's called a width modifier. So it basically allows us to essentially determine how much space we want to give that specific integer value, like how much white space we want that specific integer value to occupy. So I have a number of them sprinkled out throughout the whole output, as you can see, and it basically allows us to print out our output in a way that is very presentable and appealing to the eye, right? Something that is very presentable is very beneficial because it allows the user to have a positive experience with our program. So yeah, I'll leave a link down in the description down below about width modifiers. There are a number of things that you could do, like you could left align it, right align it, add zero padding as well. Yeah, so basically a number of things that you could do to make your output more presentable, especially with a program like this that requires you to print out a whole number of information to the user. So yeah, keep that in mind. As I run through the program here, you can see how the output is formatted, very neat and nice. You can definitely tell the quantity that was sold, the price of each item. You can see the math being done and how everything's neatly organized. So yeah, keep that in mind. Again, I'll leave a link down to the printf's modifiers in the description, so you can take a look at it and use some of them throughout your code. Yeah, that will do it for this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And like I always say, the best way to use this channel is to go to my channel, search up a video or a concept. If you do not see it, please message me and I'll be sure to make a video about it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.